No one attempts the impossible without belief in something greater than themselves.
I'll be giving you over 300 shots in the next few weeks.
With what?
Our resources have been depleted. Time is running out. In 10 years, half the world's population will have starved to death. The planet will be uninhabitable. But there is one place that gives us hope. What if Titan could become our home? You will become enhanced humans, supermen. Most of you will fail. Some people will break during the training.
I never thought I'd see something like this.
He's changing.
There's no going back.
What did you do? I want to finish it. I can see everything. There's no darkness.
There is something alive inside of him.
He's a soldier. If we can't control him, all of us are dead.
You are going to be the first man on Titan.